Hey you guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. It's midnight here, like past 12 a.m. I'm just craving something that has got flour. I don't know where the craving's coming from, but scones. I swear the people I'm sharing the house with are going to think that no, we are tagata soze. Why I tend to pick up soup, and I don't know why these cravings like come at night. So I'm just going to do scones. I'm not a professional, okay? I'm just doing what I feel like doing. And let me show you my ingredients. I have my flour, premium all-purpose flour, and then I have baking soda. I only discovered that the baking soda that we use for baking is also the same baking soda that we use as a detergent. And I even asked Ulisedi, are we using the same baking soda? But now I see. You see, I got this one because I wanted to wash my bedding. And yeah, so the same one that they use for baking, cooking, and also as a cleaning item. We have sugar, brown sugar. Yeah. Brown sugar. I've got eggs. I've got butter. Milk. Salt. Because I don't have a vanilla essence or something that I'm going to do a lime zest or lemon zest. Yeah. And also I don't have a big bowl. Oh, I do have, it's just that in a tin I cook and put in a fridge, so I'm going to use this one as my kneading pot, and this one to mix the wet ingredients. Okay, I think we are ready now. Okay, let's start. Because my cup is too small, I am going to put like maybe 4, 3. Let me make it 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, let's make it 4. 4. And then we have baking soda, 4. So 4 cups. I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of baking soda. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 2 teaspoons of sugar, of salt, sorry. 1, too. Okay, and then sugar, and you add the sugar. Ngiyafaka nje. Bonakala ngathi ngifakele isibini. Okay. That's wasting. Okay. And then the butter, because she's a book. And then let's release a pan to moisture the pan. Okay. The eggs. So for 2 eggs. My Tanzania, the yolk is not thin, it's not thick. Here, my Tanza, and this. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, it's enough. And then libisi. Wash my hands. Okay, I'm done washing my hands. Heat the oven. Take out this. Then time, let's say 40 minutes, 200, pass na phezulu, and then yeah, we're preheating the thing. And when it's changing the color because of inukela kamnandi le lemon, because of the butter. Yes, I enjoy those cooking videos where the cook is cooking and then giving story time. Hey, ngiyabanqoba chef. They are multitaskers. Inanganika ama-ingredients are wrong. Of lately, I fail in multitasking, chef. Yeah, I see you. Okay. My mom taught me ukuthi inhlama nayixovekile when it's well needed. The container kufuna be clean, so there's still a long way to go. But say right way. Yeah, say right. I want to say clean. Hi, I don't have time for women ilo. Let's prep our pan. We use what is same butter so that ngabi stick. Okay, I need to go and brush. Hi, how are you? You are not sleeping. What time do you sleep?
No.
Okay. I'm also not sleeping. At least you are going to work late tomorrow. I'm going to work like 8:45. I mean 7:45.
7:45.
In the morning. And you?
10 o'clock.
Oh, okay. At least you've got enough time. All right.
Good night.
Good night. Okay, this is how they look. Juice. Between 150 and 180. Scones akafuni heat le high. Ooh, let me switch off the stove.